Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer from MoonPay to Trust Wallet. So if you would want to move your crypto from MoonPay to your Trust Wallet, then here's how you can do it safely. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open and log into your MoonPay account. And once you're here, you should of course, make sure to create your profile first, verify your account, and activate your portfolio for smooth transactions. So what you will have to do is you will search or you will look for the Send Crypto feature. So you do have to make sure that you do have that feature before proceeding to the next steps. So once you see the Send Crypto option, you will just have to click it, and then you will select the cryptocurrency that you want. For example, this, and then basically you will just have to paste the Trust Wallet address or scan QR code, and then you will enter the amount and then review the fees and then confirm. And after that, you will complete the verification if prompted, and you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and your crypto should appear in the Trust Wallet. And yeah, that's basically just it. And of course, you do have to always double check wallet addresses because blockchain transactions are irreversible. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.